Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and ready. Open the person's LinkedIn profile now. Once on their page, scan the top header to see available buttons and note whether the Connect option appears. If you don't see Connect, make sure you aren't already following them and that their profile privacy allows connections. Also confirm your profile shows a real name, photo, and headline. LinkedIn grants full Connect options to accountable profiles. Start here to trigger the actual Connect flow immediately. Once you find More or the three-dot menu, choose Connect to start the request. Make sure to add a note. Personalized requests increase acceptance rates. Briefly explain why you want to connect and reference a mutual interest or contact. If you're on mobile, select Connect, then add a note. On desktop, click Connect, then write a note. Keep your message focused and professional. After sending, watch for a confirmation and consider following them to see posts while you wait for acceptance. Finish by verifying your invitation appears in Sent Invitations under My Network, so you know it went through. If the Connect button is still unavailable, try following the person, sending in mail if you have premium, or requesting an introduction through a mutual connection. These are effective workarounds. If the invite fails, wait 24 hours and try again after updating your profile visibility. Troubleshooting tip. If privacy settings or regional restrictions block Connect, ask a mutual contact to introduce you directly to bypass the limitation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.